Hello nursery, it's nice to see you again. Today we're going to do lots of listening for a certain sound. So we need to use our Sapphire Power. Sapphire Power is all about listening and concentrating and focusing. So are you ready? Get yourselves nice and comfortable. Get those ears ready for listening. And today we're going to listen for the sound T. 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 Can you have a go at making that sound with me? T. 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 Well done. I can feel when I make that sound that my tongue is going up just behind my front teeth, and I'm making it at the front of my mouth, that sound. Ready? T. 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 And it's quite a quiet sound, isn't it? We have to listen really carefully. It's not ta ta ta. No, that's not what it sounds like. It's this sound. T. 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 Can you say it again? Wow, well done. Shall we have a look at what letter makes that sound? Here we go. It's a letter that looks like this. It goes all the way down and around, and then I got to use my pen to go across. Here it is. This letter is called the letter T. Its name is T. But what sound does it make? T, t, t. You're right, well done. T, t, t. This is the letter T, and it makes the sound T, t. Let's have a listen out for some things today that start with the sound T. So here we go, we've got lots of different things on the table here, and we're listening out for the sound T, T, T. Can you remember the letter? It looks like that, the letter T. It makes the sound T, T, T. So I wonder if any of these things start with the sound T, T, T. So let's have a quick look what we've got, shall we? We have a t-shirt, some sweet corn, a teapot, ooh, a cow. We've got a shaker. Ooh, look here, we've got a tomato. Here we've got a teddy. We've got a coin, a pen, and here is a train. Now, can you tell someone at home, or could you tell your toy? Can you spot anything there that starts with the sound T, T, T? Oh, you're amazing. You found some already. Brilliant. Well done. Shall we go through them together and just check? So let's start with this one here. It's a t-shirt. Does that start with the sound T, T? Yes, you're right. T, T. T-shirt. It does start with the sound T. I'm going to put it over here by our letter T. T, T. T-shirt. Well done. How about sweet corn? No, that doesn't have a T at the start, does it? Let's put that one over there. How about, should we do this one next? Pen, pen. Does that start with a T? No, it doesn't. We'll put that one over there with the sweet corn. How about this one here? Teapot. Teapot. Yes, you're right, it does. It starts with a t. Let's put it over here with our letter T and our t-shirt. How about this one here? Shaker. Shaker. No, you're right, that doesn't start with a T, does it? We'll put that one over there. How about tomato? Tomato. Tomato, yes, well done. Our tomato needs to go over here with our T sounds. Well done. Ooh, we've got a coin here. Coin. Can you hear it in the word coin? No, nor can I. Let's put that one over here. How about a cow? Cow. No, you're right again. It doesn't start with the sound T, does it? So we'll pop that one over there. What have we got here? Teddy. Teddy. Can you hear a T at the start of the word teddy? You can. Well done. Teddy needs to go over here with our T sounds. And we've got one more here. Train. Train. Oh, listen really carefully for this one. Train. Well done. It does start with the sound T, but it's quite tricky to hear, isn't it? Train, train, train. It does start with a T, so I'm going to put it over here. So look what things we found today that start with the sound T. We found t-shirt, tomato, teapot, teddy, and train. Well done, everyone. You've done fantastic listening today. I wonder if later today you could have a go at finding things in your home that start with the sound T. And if you want to, you could even have a go at practicing writing the letter T that makes the sound T. Have fun hunting. Bye-bye.